is how legends are made. This is how legends are made.
Welcome everybody to a quick, shorter weekend video. Just to let you guys know, your regularly scheduled video of off-roading content is tomorrow. I'm just giving you guys a quick kind of behind the scenes how-to of my new ditch lights I'm installing before it gets ready to rain. So let's dive on in. I'll show you what is going on. Okay, so in last weekend's video, when I wired up these back, well, didn't wire up, I made these brackets, as I'm sure some of you guys have seen. I mentioned briefly I made this bracket right here for my rear ditch lights, which mount behind my spare tire, just like that. So I'm working on wiring them in right now. So I'm gonna wire those two in, run it along my CB wire through the tailgate, along the harness here, down and through the storage cubby, come out right here. I'm gonna wire it into these lights. So when I turn the rears on, those come on, because then I can have a like not 360, but like what, a 270 of light out here in the back. So here we go. Okay, just got the two lights here, but spliced there. Grab me some wire out of my wiring kit. I'll go ahead and get some wire ran, some long strings, and start running the wires. Okay, well, quick update is now pouring, not quite pouring, but it's now raining enough that I'm gonna go hide underneath the carport for a few minutes. But I got the main of the wire kind of run. I just have to wire loom it and call it a day. I'm gonna go hide out of the rain. Okay, got this all wire loomed up, connection made. Just ran through the port, into the whole grommet right there. Now I'm getting ready to pull this wire out, wire loom some more of it, and I'm gonna zip tie it along right here. I have this mount from when I had a shock on here to hold the tailgate open. Ground it right there. Then run the other wire along the wire harness for the lights down to my plug down here for everything else. Okay, like I said, wires done. Got it going through the grommet now. And I pulled this off and ran it along the plastic cover that goes right here. Wire loomed my coax and everything else back to here. Grounded it off to my little bracket right here. That was for the closure shock thing. Now I'm wire looming the rest of the positive. I gotta add a little bit more to it. And go around, go through the grommet right there, go along, down, and somewhere back in here. I don't know where I put it, but somewhere back in here is the wiring for the lights here. I'll wire into it.